Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this question we have a very beautiful problem and you have to solve this question without using any calculator or any other device. The question is that 9 plus 1 over 3 raised to power 2024 divided by 3 raised to power 2022 times 3 plus 1 over 9 raised to power 2023. This is the question. Pause the video and give it a try. To keep this question simple, I will solve these fractions in the first step. So we can write 9 plus 1 over 3 equal to, this fraction can be solved like this. 3 is the LCM, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 1s are 1, it is equal to 28 over 3. Now I will solve this fraction. 3 plus 1 over 9, it is equal to 9 as the LCM, and 3 9s are 27 plus 1 1s are 1, it is equal to 28 over 9. But I will write this 9 as 3 square because I want to keep this question simple. This is 28 over 3 and this is 28 over 3 square. In the next step we will put the values of these fractions into the question. So 9 plus 1 over 3 is 28 over 3 times 2024 divided by 3 raised to power 2022 times or into 28 over 3 square raised to power 2023. Now we will solve this expression. 28 over 3 raised to power 2024 over 3 raised to power 2022 into 28 raised to power. Now I will write this power separately to the denominator and numerator. 28 raised to power 2023 divided by, this is the 3 square, this square will be multiplied with this power, so I can write 3 raised to power 4046 and it will be equal to 28 over 3 raised to power 2024 over 3 raised to power 2022. And now what I will do is that I will bring this 3 raised to power 4046 on the upper side, so I will write this times 3 raised to power 4, this will be now minus 4046 times 28 raised to power 2023. And now this can be simplified as 28 over 3 raised to power 2024 over, now these 3 and this 3 are multiplying, so we can write this 3 raised to power 2022 minus 4046. We have actually used a law of exponents, which is that I will write this 28 raised to power 2023. This law of exponents have been used here. This law of exponents, which is a raised to power m over a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power minus n, and it is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Okay, now we will simplify this further. 28 over 3 raised to power 2024 divided by 3 raised to power, now 2022 minus 4046, it will be 2024, yes, times 28 raised to power 2023. And now this is the minus sign. I will take this on the lower side to make it positive. So I will write this like that: 28 over 3 raised to power 2024 over 28 raised to power 2023 over 3 raised to power 2024. Now in the next step, I will take this 3 raised to power 2024 on the upper side and this 3 raised to power 2024 on the lower side like this. Now first of all, I will write these powers separately. 28 raised to power 2024 over 3 raised to power 2024 divided by 28 raised to power 2023 divided by 3 raised to power 2024. Now this will be taken on the upper side and this 3 raised to power 2024 on the lower side like this: 28 raised to power 2024 over 3 raised to power. Now I will take this 3 raised to power 2024 on the lower side, 2024 times this 28 raised to power 2023 and this 3 times 3 raised to power 2024 on the upper side like this: 3 raised to power 2024. Now this will be cancelled with this and the remaining will be 28 raised to power 2024 over 28 raised to power 2023. And now this can be simplified like this: 28 raised to power 2024 times 28 raised to power 2023 but in minus sign. Okay, the same law of exponents was used here as well, like this, here and here. 28 is equal 28 raised to power 2024 minus 2023 and this will be 28 and this is our answer. Thanks for watching the video. Share the video and like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.